Hey guys, hope you are good and well. Market is moving around $4,200 and with the winds and sky flies rockets in the direction of upward direction. Actually, the support zone of the market is $3,900 and the resistance zone is $4,400 per ounce, and the market is ranging between these zones, and no market is currently shifted into upward direction with a high volume, and markets hopefully market break this near resistance and make the break this level, and then market should retest this zone with high volume, and then market continues towards upward direction. So here is the recent resistance. Actually, the recent technical reports note a consolidation forming as price action tighter near resistance, suggesting a potential short-term break or pullback. I had the fact that gold is near a symmetrical triangle resistance line signals traded in this session. Many expect a breakout, others expect a retracement. So here is the recent resistance of the market, and market break this level with a high volume, then market retest this zone to this level, and then market continues towards upward direction. So market is waiting the market next resistance $4,400. So actually here is the more consolidation is, that is why, because the volume profile also shows that more trades are put on this zone, and the ranging market ranging is breaking to in the next coming days, and the market actually making a bullish flag pattern and extending channel pattern in this zone. That is why markets ranging on this zone to making a more and more critical on this zone. So here is the market ranging and draw a pattern of the ascending channel pattern, and these are the more and trading bullish if gold breaks closes and sustains above 4 to 20. Next target gold stretches to 4300 in the medium term, and these are the suggesting if support near 4050 fails, then market possibly triggered by dollar strength, and dovish surprises gold might tip toward $3900 as a buying and zone before the uptrend resumes. Actually, the gold legacy report is also shows that, and the market is making a bullish flag pattern on this zone. So market is break this zone with a high volume bullish flag pattern or ascending channel pattern is so like that. Market is break this zone with the high volume, then market continues towards upward direction and retest this zone. Here is the retest this zone, and then market continues towards upward direction. So no market break this 4 to 50 resistance level, and market towards shifted towards in the upward direction. So here is the gold legacy report. The more trades and more trading, almost 83.27% traders are in the long position, and here is the 77.62% traders are in the long position. So here is the much surprises for the new traders. The other report and the 80.48%. So here is the trading of gold point range between these trading. Actually, money management are in the swap condition, and almost 2 lakh. The more and more traders are in the buying position. So here is the Fed. When the Fed cut interest rate, Treasury yields fail, the US dollar weakens, and gold becomes more attractive. Prices rises. When the keeps rates high, yields stay stronger. Gold sees pressure pullback occur. The field signal that inflation is slowing. This is 2 to 3 rate cuts in 2025, depending on dates. Economic growth is stable but cooling. Fed suggest are data dependent path, not rushing into aggressive rates. So here is the more and much and more cases depends on gold upward direction. Actually, inflation and CPI trends. If CPI and core CPI comes down faster, Fed may cut rates sooner and bullish for gold. If inflation spikes against, Fed will delay cut short-term bearish for golds, but long-term bullish because inflation treasury. The third is US dollar strength DXY and the yields of gold, global geopolitical risk. Actually, the Middle East tension and US China competitive environment, European political instability, Russia Ukraine conflict, and also central banks are buying gold at fast as peace indicates, especially